Hello there guys, this is J Reviews and today I'm going to show you my review and unboxing of DJI Spark. Now this drone came in 2017 and this turns out to be very good. I got this like I guess a month ago and it's working really good. Usage wise looks very good and I really like the way DJI has made this for the people who are literally not experts at droning and everything, and it flies really good. Now the box contains, let's see what the box contains inside. This is the box in which the DJI Spark comes in. Now this is the carrying case and it's very good made. And this box right here, it contains charger and stuff. Let's get this box. This is pretty good. Here's the drone itself. You know, you can see it, it's black, white, alpine white. And here are the extra propellers which come with it. Now you can see that it's built very good, and there's a gimbal itself, and there is this its sensor, there are its propellers, and there is its battery. This is from where you can put your SD card in, which can record your videos and stuff. And this is where you can charge the drone. And now this is the battery, and you can get it out from there like that. This is battery. And here's our drone. It's very small, you can see it fits in my hand very easily. And let me show you now how is the app interface. Now I'm using it with the phone and I got this for $499. I don't have the fly mode combo, so I have to fly it with my phone, and the range is pretty good, to be really honest. Here's my phone. This is the app you need to download and it's called DJI Go 4. Now first of all, you have to turn the drone on. Yeah, you can see it makes some noise, you know. Here are the lights are starting and everything. Here's its gimbal, you know, it's trying to stabilize. Yeah, you know. So I'll put it there. And from here, you have to open your Wi-Fi settings, and you have to connect to the Wi-Fi of Spark. You can see I've already connected, so I'll go to this, and you can see that it's showing the Spark start flight. So you can see it's showing the view of my room and everything. Now from here, you know, it's on auto. I like to use it on manual, so I'll probably set it to there and there. There you go. This is the best setting for like now. And you know, it's showing that you have to from here you can take off. I don't want to ruin it all, you know. Let me show you how it works when you really take off the drone. So let's go upstairs and try it out. As you guys can see, I've come upstairs so to just try out the drone. And here's the drone itself. You can actually take off the drone from your hand. Here's the drone. Let's turn it on. Yeah, it's turning on. What I have to do is connect to the DJI's network, the Wi-Fi network, and just turn on the DJI app. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. So I'm going to take off. Yeah, just turn there, take it there. As you can see, it goes up. Now you will see the test footage. So overall, it's a good drone. It's a very good drone, to be really honest. And people, as you have seen the footage, I'm sure you will like it, and it's really good quality. And for $499, I think it's a good deal. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please make sure you subscribe and like, so that I can keep on going and keep on creating such videos for you. So peace out.